Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. To this video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment down and press the bell icon, so when I post my new video the notification will reach you first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see this picture, you can see very beautiful, you can see the cotton and all very beautiful, and the bed also in red color, the cotton also in red color, and the yellow color lamp and all beautiful lamp and all, and the flower also you can see beautiful roses and all. This roses also you can see very beautiful, looking very good. The table also very beautiful, this one also very beautiful, you can see the bed you can see red color, the flower, the plants and all red color, the wall also beautiful, the windows and all. And this one's very beautiful, you can see the bulbs and all, and the guitar you can see beautiful, the curtains, the lights, the decoration, the colors and all very beautiful, very good. And this one also you can see the lips, you can see beautiful lights, they make it for this one. The photo frame you can see the side, you can see the plants and all very beautiful plants, good decoration. This one also very beautiful, you can see the bathing area, bathroom, you can see beautiful the design and decoration. This one also the candles you can see, and the candles you can see the lights and the beautiful decoration, the design. And so also you can see the lights and also small lights you can see from lamp, beautiful lamp, you can see the down also the wall decoration. This also very beautiful, the down you can see the purple and the white color lights and all, and the sides you can see the purple color light is coming, lamp, beautiful lamp and also you can see the roof, you can see beautiful decoration design they did, and the wall also beautiful decoration and design, good looking. So also you can see very beautiful the candles and the maybe I don't know what is this beautiful, the photo they take very beautiful decoration. So also very beautiful, you can see the sun, you can see lamp it is, and down you can see this the light and those plants, small plants and all beautiful. So also very beautiful, you can see the photo outside best view, the tables you can see and all very beautiful, the small plants also it is there. This also very beautiful, you can see the photos there on the wall, you can see the side, you can see table, beautiful table and all, and the up this also very beautiful, you can see the ring type lights and all, and the side curtain you can see beautiful curtain and all, looking very good design and decoration. This one also you can see very beautiful, you can see the sides lights, you can see beautiful lights and all, and the floor you can see beautiful the decoration. This is also very beautiful, you can see the cotton and all, and the cottons you can see beautiful cottons and all. This one you can see the up, you can see beautiful decoration design for roof they did, and the lights also you can see lamp and all beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment down, comment and press the bell icon so my notification will get you first. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, take care of your health, goodbye.